It is perhaps the most profound and piercing pronouncement to date regarding the current JFF president, Mr. Michael Ricketts. Listen.
I love the present president of JFF. He's a good friend of mine, a really nice fellow. But he's not the gentleman to take the football forward. There are other people, because it requires salesmanship, creativity, people, business people. We see sport as a sport, and we're expecting sportsmen to take it forward. But it has a business component.
No, that was not the loudmouth maverick or a man in a rum bar. That is former national player and national coach and current advisor to the Minister of Sport, Mr. Ali McNabb. This is a man who has the ears of the minister, who has the ears of the Prime Minister, who in turn has the ears of the Minister of Finance, who handles the government purse. So make me about a beat round the bush. If the government don't rate Mr. Ricketts with the private sector looking and listening on and taking their lead from the government, how is the Mike Ricketts-led JFF going to get the financial support and the backing the football needs from the government and the private sector? And look, this is something that people around the football fraternity been saying from day one. But coming now from the advisor to the minister, it is much more instructive. And yo, Mr. Ricketts, nobody now target or fight against you. We're talking football, and the football is bigger than any individual. And if it is not a good look, it is just not a good look. And Mr. Ricketts, it is not a good look.